This screen recording is going to show how I use Harpara Teacher Dashboard to share Explain Everything projects with my reading groups. First, I use a Google Doc to plan which books my groups are going to read for the week. In this example, Cash and Central are going to read Blackberries on Monday. After I create an Explain Everything project on my iPad, I export it to my Google Drive. You can see here the Blackberries project in my Google Drive. Next, I open Teacher Dashboard. Each of my students are grouped in their reading groups. Cash and Central are in the yellow group. Next, I select the Fast Copy option from Teacher Dashboard, which will bring up the Smart Copy window. I'm going to select an existing document to copy. The quickest way to find my project is to use the search function. And here is my Blackberries Explain Everything project. I want to make a separate copy of the document to create, for each student. Here you can choose to change the title of the document once it arrives in your student's folder. Because my students are only 5, I choose to put their first name automatically into the new document, which is going to prevent them saving over the top of somebody else's work. Because I started at the reading folder, it automatically defaults to putting the document into the reading folder. However, I could change my mind at this point and put it into a different folder. Here, I'm going to either select to send the document to an individual student, the whole class, or select by group. Because I know that Cash and Central are in the yellow group, I'm going to select to send this document just to the yellow group. Here I'm selecting to leave any existing documents that have the same name in place, in which case no copy would occur. I'm ready to copy, and I'm pressing the Start Copy. Within a few minutes, the document's going to turn up into Cash's and Central's reading folder on their Google Drive, and it's going to have their name at the end of the document. From here, it's simple just to open up Explain Everything on the iPad and download from their Google Drive because the document has already been copied into it.